Should you start a sentence with and, but, or? Should you start any sentence with and, but, or? Or let us say any other coordinating conjunction. Any other coordinating conjunction. Fine, boys? Remember? For, and, nor, not, but, or, yet, so. Fine, boys? Coordinating conjunctions. Should you start a sentence with a coordinating conjunction? You may. But only and only if it is used for dramatic effect. If you want to give a dramatic effect, after a long monologue, you are coming to a conclusion of a short line, a short sentence. They went through tumultuous ups and downs in their lives, and they went through tumultuous events, happenings in their lives. Full stop, period. And they got married. And they got married. Or and all the problems were resolved. If it lends to some dramatic effect. Generally, as a rule of thumb, avoid it. Coordinating conjunctions per se are supposed to come in between. Conjoin, they conjoin two things: words to words, phrases to phrases, sentence to sentences, paragraphs to paragraphs. They link. They conjoin. They come in the middle. Don't begin or don't end with conjunctions. Yes, conjunctive adverbs can be used at the end. The teacher was angry at the student, but she forgave him. Nevertheless. So the nevertheless is a conjunctive adverb that is used at the end. But then conjunctive adverbs can be used anyway. They are flexible. Generally they are used in the middle. Here, the question is, should you use and, should you start a sentence with and, but, or? The short answer is no. Don't. Do not start a sentence with and. Do not start a sentence with but. Do not start a sentence with or any of the coordinating conjunctions. Should you start a sentence with because? Yeah, you might have heard many teachers saying that don't start a sentence with because. It's wrong. They say it because to avoid your writing a fragment, a sentence fragment. Because they came late, for example, say, because John and Mary came late, or because Rahul and Priya came late. That's a sentence fragment. Now you may write like that, because Rahul and Priya came late. That's a sentence fragment. That's wrong. To avoid this, generally you should not start a sentence with because. Nonetheless, you may start a sentence with because if it is not a sentence fragment. For example, because Rahul and Priya came late, he was unable to meet them. Let us clarify the he so that no doubt we do not confuse he with Rahul. Because Rahul and Priya came late, Raj was unable to meet them. Complete sentence? Complete sentence? Yes, Raj. Yeah, Raj is the most famous Indian name. Okay? Complete sentence? So, you may start a sentence with because. It is valid. It is legal, it is valid, it is grammatically correct, it is acceptable. Provided it makes complete sense. Don't use it as a fragment. Clear? Shall we move on? Okay.